Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your blog page. So what is blog page? Blog page is a page where all your posts list will be displayed on your site, and you can define which page you can have as your blog page. So for that, first create a page. So I will create a page. Let's give it a name, blogs, and it's okay. You don't need to add anything over here, and just publish. So our page has been published. Now let's try to visit this page and see what is there for this page. So currently it shows nothing for this page, and now I will go to settings, reading. So here you will have a setting to define post page. So I will select this option, and here for post page I will select this page which we just created over here and save changes. After saving the setting, we will go on to this page and refresh this again. Let's see what happens. So as you can see, all the blogs started appearing over here. So this is how you can define your blog page, and if you want to see which page is set as a blog page, you can come over here and check it over here. And another way is to go to pages, and you will see something like this on the pages list of pages over here. So this is the way you can define and check the blogs page. Let me know if you have any doubt or question. Thank you.